How did we prepare to trade last Friday? What clues did we have, and what information did we have? The first thing we're taught is you have to know the context. Going into the trading day, what was the context? In the previous video, we already discussed how the Supreme Court did not give their opinion on Trump's tariffs. So the context was that there will be no big move. There's no big catalyst event on Friday. So the market more than likely will not move very far, very big. So in our trading community, Eric every morning has a pre-market briefing, the technical analysis, and once the decision came out that there was going to be no decision, we could set our expectations for the day. 36 minutes into the trading day, Eric set up the two scenarios that are possible for the day, a bearish scenario and a bullish scenario. So here's the bearish scenario. If the bears could take price under the 5-day moving average and create a structure, maybe a head and shoulders from there, he's already identified the algorithms. This magenta algorithm is very important and will be important throughout the day, and you'll see why. So here's a bearish scenario. The bears would have to go under the 5-day moving average and have the 5-day moving average act as a resistance. That would be a good sign, a good signal, a great clue that price is going to go down for the day. On the flip side, he also gave us a bullish scenario of what to look out for. He's already identified the algorithms. You see magenta. He's highlighted the teal algorithm, and that's also going to be important for the day. The teal algorithm, if we're going to have a bullish move, if price is going to go up, we're looking for price to come down under the 5-day moving average and trap the sellers. And the bulls, if they decide to take over, they will take price back above the moving average. And if they could hold it over the 5-day moving average, that 5-day moving average will act as support, and that'll be a great day to go long. That's how he sets up the morning, 36 minutes into the trading day. This is what we're looking for. Now we go to the charts on Friday, and you can see that